Hello, we got the Greenville update. After 3.5 months, it's been absolutely forever. So, my Tesla's now off sale. We got 32 new cars or something like that. Actually, I didn't even check all the update things, so let me go look at that now. Hello, again. So we got the Greenville update, finally. Stay tuned for new future update, blah. Added new towable trails to trucks. Buy trailers at Truck Planet and be able to use them with equipped pickup trucks and larger SUVs. More trailers to come in the future along with multiple trailer cars for smaller vehicles to cope. Trail-specific features include trail-specific brakes connect to car brakes if equipped, vehicle light connecting to trailer when it is hooked up, trailer prop stand actively moves down when parked, active suspension like a car, ability to tow around other players' vehicles, locking or unlocking the hitch of the trailer to allow others to tow your trailer, spawning trailers individually or with vehicles. Older model vehicles that are non-fictional designs and do not have towing support currently will not be getting these. Specifically sedans, coupes, hatchbacks, etc. This is similar to folding mirrors support that will not be coming to these vehicles. Added a brand new pool and entirely redone park grounds behind next stop, including a skate park at the end of the side road. I wonder what that skateboard ramp could be used for. Added a brand new entirely remodeled Sahara building along with an interactive shop. Collect and deliver packages to houses around the map. Add 175 new rims to the rim shop. Added adjusted light settings. Hold on, I'll just. 16 new plate styles for Wisconsin. Added 2 new plate frames for Normal. Added more storage for more storage game pass up to 65 cars. Road signs can now be knocked down your screen only to reduce lag. Added 32 new cars, 6 limited cars. Jesus. 1971 Durant LM 1500 barn find, $9,210. Goes off sale September 2022. September 22nd, 2024, 1 p.m. Wow! Aeropod, Globe City, the Prius by the V8, a Cybertruck, of course. Wait, no. Wow. Wow, come on. Alright. Weather freeze. Yes! Yes! Whoa. Yeah. Okay. This update is guarded, bro. Alright. Hell yeah. Oh, you could be joining me. So if I go to this I know I've got to go down for it. I know I don't. Ah, it just gave me the short wheelbase. Nah. Okay. Alright. Alright, whatever. First off, we got this. Why is it so foggy? Alright, so we'll do the startup. Launch as we go off the line. This it looks stupid, but I like stupid things. Okay, that looks wrong. Now, what time did we get up? I didn't even walk. Alright, let's get down. 20.182. Horn. Same. Start up. Brights. Normal lights, brights. Alright. No fog lights. Wait, no, we got fog lights. Oh, jeez. Damn. Those are the brightest lights I've ever seen in my life. Wow. Okay, let's go move on. I'm gonna put my volume down. That'll be definitely nice. Reverse volume. Speed. 33 miles an hour. Not bad. 16 seconds. 16.74. Wow. Or 71 or something. Alright, now I got the. Alright. Be quiet. Let your family listen to this. I'd probably get this if I had enough money. So yeah, here's the up. Oh my god, that horn! Then I go off the line. My car is squatting like nothing else. $13.9. This thing. Sadly not towed. Alright, let's do sound. Crispy. Launch control? Yeah, buddy. Oh my god. 11.1 seconds. Op. This thing is diesel. This thing's so gonna be my day. Look at that shot. I buy my favorite car in the update. Okay, it's not. But it's probably one of my top 30. already an 8 that only at 100k now. Oh my god. This thing probably has a low top speed, I'm assuming, like 180-ish. 177. Alright. That dirt bike keeps on going down, up and down, up and down. I think I can do like 14 seconds. Something like that. It seems decently fast for what it is. Here's the lights and stuff. Brake lights. Yeah, pretty much exactly 14 seconds. Greenville. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is fun. So I'm just gonna do about like 12 seconds, probably. 12.81 seconds. I can't believe the update's out. 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 Listen. This one's a flop bitch like every other Aston Martin. Alright, we got this hunk of junk. Oh my god. An aeropod. Bleh. Oh, I like that. Nice. They put the tiny little spoiler on that. I like that. High mileage car, well yeah. Oh my god, this thing's quick! Well, somewhat quick, I suppose. I like this. I really do. Okay, I'm just waiting for myself. It's probably gonna do about 16 seconds, I reckon. 16 seconds, I reckon. Oh, is it spinning or not? Oh, it is. Happy birthday! I like this. I like the fact that they have the little spoiler. That is so cool. No, now for the giraffes, I'm sure they have the same tune. So after this one, we'll go to trailers. Whoa! Underbody's detailed. Free speed or full speed? At full speed. Alright, let's go towing. Oh, brother. Wow. go now.